Assalamualaikum. This is Muhammad Karrar Hussain and you are watching Karrar Hussain YouTube channel. So I'm back again with another great opening और ये opening आई है साइटल में और साइटल हायर कर रहा है for two processes. One is technical support non-voice process, another one is customer service representative. Any undergraduate, any graduate, any fresher can apply. क्योंकि आपके कमेंट्स में पढ़ रहा हूँ आप लोग कह रहे हैं टू पोस्ट जॉब फ्रॉम गुड़गांव, फ्रॉम मुंबई, फ्रॉम चेन्नई और थोड़े लोगों ने कमेंट किया था पर वो लोकेशन के अभी नोटिफिकेशन मुझे नहीं आया है। जो नोटिफिकेशन आ रहा है मैं आपके लिए शेयर कर रहा हूँ। अगर आप चाहते हैं मैं आपकी लोकेशन का जॉब शेयर करूँ प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो। सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि अभी भी 55% लोग ऐसे हैं जो मेरी वीडियोस को रोज़ देखते हैं बट अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है। तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड डू लाइक दिस वीडियो सो दैट इट रीचेस द मैक्सिमम कैंडिडेट लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब. So we'll divide this video into the two parts. In first part we'll discuss about Hyderabad location and in the second part we'll discuss about Chennai, Gurgaon and Mumbai location. So let's get started. So Sitel is hiring for technical support non-voice process for Hyderabad location. Job details: age 18 years to 35 years, minimum qualification 10+2 equivalent, maximum qualification undergraduate can be considered but should not be regular college student. Experience: any undergraduate or graduate freshers can apply. Communication skills: exceptional spoken skills in English. Shift: rotational shift. Primary job responsibilities: international non-voice technical support. Responsibility: provide technical support to international customer. Timing: should be flexible to work in US. Rotational shift. Desired skill: need excellent communication skills and written skills in English. Must have strong technical knowledge, hardware, software and networking concepts. 5 working days, 2 week off. Home pick and drop facility is provided by the company. As of now it's work from home. Rounds of interview: jam round, HR voice and action, text test, typing test, operation round. All rounds will be conducted digitally. Job summary: answer inbound call within guidelines, goal established with the client and management. Consistently achieve call quality score goal in order to meet clients and customer satisfaction goals. Interested candidate, link is given in the description box. If you are from Hyderabad, if you are a fresher, if you are an undergraduate, this job is for you. Okay, so please go and apply and do share with your friends who are actually in need of job. Okay, so now we will discuss about Chennai, Gurgaon and Mumbai location. So Sitel is hiring for customer service representative. Locations are Chennai, Gurgaon and Mumbai. Job summary: minimum qualification 10+2 equivalent, maximum qualification undergraduate can be considered but should not be regular college student. Experience: any undergraduate and graduate can apply. Communication skill: exceptional spoken skills in English required. Shift: rotational shift. Salary as per market standards. Note: any candidate applying for the position should be okay to work from the office. As of now it's work from home, but after a pandemic you need to be flexible from working from office as well as from home. Experience: any undergraduate, graduate, freshers can apply. Job profile: international voice technical support. Responsibilities: provide technical support to international customers. Shift timing: should be flexible to work in US. Rotational shift. Desired skills: need excellent communication skills in English. Must have strong technical knowledge, hardware, software and networking concept. 5 working days, 2 week off. Rounds of interview: jam, HR round and action test round, operation round. All rounds will be conducted digitally. Interested candidate, link for Chennai, Gurgaon and Mumbai location is given in the description box. Please go and apply and please do share with your friends who are actually in need of job. If you are a fresher, if you are looking for job, if you are an undergraduate, क्योंकि बहुत कम कंपनीज हायर कर रही है अंडरग्रेजुएट को फॉर वर्क फ्रॉम होम. So this opportunity is for you. Please go and apply and do share with your friend who are actually in need of job. You can also support me by subscribing my channel so that I can share more free jobs to you. And you can also join my Telegram channel. Compared to YouTube, I share more jobs on Telegram. Thank you. Best of luck. Hope you all are safe.